Underneath the cover is this week's supercar, so let's reveal it. So this is the Lamborghini Aventador S. It's in the Nero Pegaso paintwork with a full satin PPF wrap. It is running a 6.5 litre V12 engine, producing a huge 730 brake horsepower with a 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. Not only is this car fast, but it has a full stainless steel Capristo exhaust system. As you can see on the engine, it has got genuine Lamborghini carbon fibre parts, the cover and the engine bay. The spoiler and this carbon fibre base is aftermarket parts, but really does add a nice touch to the car. This supercar is now live on our website for just 89p. It also comes with £5,000 cash, or if you do not want to take the car, you can take the huge £175,000 cash alternative. So get entered at 7daysperformance.co.uk. The live draw will be next Sunday on the 3rd of September. Good luck, and I will see you in next week's video on Wednesday.